To test for lead in the soil around your home, find the small spoon in the plastic bags in your test kit. The labels have S1, S2, and S3 on them for Soil 1, Soil 2, and Soil 3. Go outside and collect about 3 spoonfuls of soil from each of the 3 test locations and put it in the bags, 1 bag for each location. First, collect soil right next to the wall of your home. Second, collect soil from anywhere in your yard, garden, or play area. Third, collect soil from another place in your yard that's different from the first 2 sample locations. Tick the box next to the location of each sample on the form in your test kit and place each bag back in the same compartment. When finished, move on to the next sample.